How did I start my online business? Well, I was a teacher in a school, in a language school for many years. And I was a little bit frustrated because I was always making new materials and making really cool classes. And I wanted to reach more people. You know, I was only teaching 15 or 20 people in my class every week. And I was making cool video materials and everything. So I really started to think, that I needed a tech guy. This is what I was always repeating. I need a tech guy. I need someone who understands technology better than me to help me, And from nowhere, this Brazilian guy contacted me, and I was living in Dublin, and he came with the idea that we could make an online course together, that he would help me with the editing, and I would make the materials and record, and he would help me with the editing and the selling. And it sounded a little too good to be true, because it kind of was. And a lot of my friends and my family and my mother were telling me to be careful, always to be very clear and define the business very clearly with him. And I should have been more careful. I should have thought about it a lot more, I think. But I really wanted it to work. I really wanted to reach and help more people with my online materials. Now, I had really two conditions, and I was very clear with him that I wanted it to be a legally registered business, and I wanted the money from the business to go directly from PayPal into my own account. Those are my two conditions. And when his idea was to start the business in Brazil and sell the product in the Brazilian market, and he wanted to break both of my conditions. So the business just failed, and we disagreed, and we didn't do anything. But he tried to make the proposal that we would just start the business, just not registered illegally. And he shouldn't have done that. He shouldn't have made that proposal and broke my conditions. And I should have been more careful, and he should have researched more carefully, because one of the big problems was I'm an Irish citizen. I don't have the legal right to start a business in Brazil, legal residency, and he should have researched that a lot more. So it was a powerful lesson about business, about partnerships, that you should always be really careful and define what you're going to do in your business and what you're prepared to accept and not accept.